Bible, there was a situation.
Nkuko tubisana muri Bibiliya niko byari bimeze.
Things were not easy. Things were not easy. We were in difficult situation.
Twari mu bihe bigoye.
The Bible says that we had law.
Bibiliya iravuga yuko twari mu byagezwe.
We had law.
Twari mu byagezwe.
Not even law made by a human being.
Apana ibyagezwe byashyizweho n'abana b'abantu.
You remember the history of a human being.
Muribuka inkuru y'abana b'abantu.
From the creation up to now.
Kubwo kurema k'umuntu gushika n'ubu.
Remember the time of Adam.
Nimwibuka igihe cya Adamu.
Remember the time of Abraham.
Nimwibuka igihe cya Aburahamu.
Remember the time of the Israelites in Egypt.
Nimwibuka igihe cy'Abisirayeli muri Egiputa.
Remember the time of Joseph.
Nimwibuka igihe cya Yosefu.
Remember the time of David.
Nimwibuka igihe cya Dawidi.
Remember the time of Gideon.
Nimwibuka igihe cya Gideyoni.
Remember the time of the prophets.
Nimwibuka igihe cy'abavugishwa n'Imana.
They lived in different situations.
Bari babaye mu bihe bitandukanye.
From the time of Adam,
kuva igihe rero cya Adamu,
God tried to make a human being in a correct way.
Imana yagerageje gushyira umuntu mu nzira nziza.
From the time of Adam,
mu gihe cya Adamu,
it was the desire of God to be holy.
ibyifuzo by'Imana kwari ukuyubaha.
Above all powers, above all kings, above all nature and all created things, above all wisdom and all the ways